Good God, guys. Holy shit. This is like a freaking hurricane. Holy freaking crap. Y'all, welcome to Weather with Gigi. Like, holy shit. I thought yesterday's storm was bad. This is insane. Like, look at that. That is ridiculous. I feel like we're in a hurricane. I just hope my neighbor's trampoline stays in her backyard. Wow. These are just some of the afternoon storms we get in the late afternoon, y'all, here in Florida. I am telling you, Florida is a state you don't fuck with at all in any fashion. So, with that, thanks for tuning in to another weather vlog episode with Gigi here at the menagerie. Woohoo! Okay, bye.